Hello friends, this is Prashant Kaushal, and today in this video I am going to share the OMR sheet of class 10th and 12th made for the term 1 exam. So my dear students, the OMR sheet is shared on the screen and you can see this is same for class 10th and 12th, okay? And here you can see there are three parts. The first part, that is above part, is the data part, and the middle part, the second part, is response part, and the lower part, that is called third part, is evaluation part. Okay, so OMR sheet is having three parts. The first part is data part, second part is response part, and the third part is evaluation part. Let's talk about the part number 1. The part number 1, that is data part, will be completely filled, printed, given to the students by the CBSE. Okay, all the information which you are able to see here, for example, the roll number in words, or day, date, center number, name, subject code and name, candidate's name, father's name, school code and name, all these things will be going to be printed. Okay, no need to write anything, everything will be printed. That printed sheet will be given to the students, and if you will see the right side, there is a one box above, and it is the box of the question paper code. That box only student has to fill. Okay, this code you can see on the top of the question paper. It will be there on the top of the question paper. That code you have to write with the ball pen, maybe a blue ball pen or a black ball pen. Okay, so this is how the part 1 is done. Now let's come to the part 2, very important. You can see the first box is of serial number, question number. Okay, second part is of response, that is A, B, C, D, that you already know. The third part is star, and the fourth part is hash. Okay, so question number part you already know, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. The response part, A, B, C, D, you will fill the circle. Okay, you will encircle the circle with the pen. Okay, any option you will choose. For example, if you have chosen the B option. Okay, now let's go to the next, that is a box, and that box we denoted by star. Okay, so whatever option you have chosen in the response, that you have to write. So we have chosen B, so you will write B in that box. Okay, and the last circle, that is of hash, is the circle given to you for filling if you are not attempting that question. Suppose for example question number 1 you are not attempting, you have to encircle the question number 1 on the hash circle. Okay, and if you are attempting the question number 1, you don't have to encircle the last hash circle. Okay, so this is how you have seen the question number, then response. Okay, and then box, and then hash. Okay, now I'll give one more example. If the question number 1 you attempted B, and you later on you thought that B is the wrong answer, and in box you can write the correct answer also. Suppose the answer of question number 1 is C, and you have encircled the B, so you can write the C option in the box, because the box is the main which is going to be evaluated by the evaluator. Okay, whatever you will write in the box will be the main evaluation criteria. Okay, so if you encircle any right option, then also you have to write in the box, and if you have encircle any wrong option and later on you want to correct, you can use that box and you can write the correct answer in that box. Okay, so that box will be considered as your final answer, and the last hash circle will be for only unattempted question. The questions which you don't want to attempt, you just encircle it. Okay, because there are more questions are given and you have to attempt less. For example, in class 12th business and economics, you will be giving 60 questions. Out of 60 you have to attempt 50 questions. Okay, so all unattempted questions you have to encircle as the hash circle. Okay, and if if you have attempted extra questions, for example, so the first questions, the questions which are numbered, for example in section, if 24 questions are there and you have to attempt the 20 only, but you attempted 24, the first 20 will be considered. Okay, the remaining 4 will not be considered. The top 20 questions which you attempted will be considered. Okay, so if you are attempting the extra question, you won't get any marks, and there is no negative marking. Okay, only you have to fill the circles and box properly. If you fail to fill the box, you will not get any marks, because box is very much mandatory, which is going to be evaluated. And you can see down there, after the response part, there is a small box given for the student's signature. Okay, and you are confirming here that I confirm that all particulars given above are correct, and you will sign candidate signature. Okay, and the last part, that is evaluation part, it is for the invalidator, evaluator, okay, and coordinator and observer. That is the office part. You don't have to put anything there. So this is the complete detail of the OMR sheet for the present session, that is OMR based term 1. Okay, I think you have understood the total details of the OMR sheets. If still you have any query, you can write in the comment box. You can ask me, I'll definitely respond there. Okay, till then, bye, see you, thank you.